Hey guys, we're exploring Mount Lemmon.
Experience with us the thrill of conquering elevations of Mount Lemmon. From saguaros of the desert to the tall pines at 9,000 feet. On foot and exploring rugged terrains in our trusty Jeep, going down unknown dirt roads. As we reveal the wonders of this place.
Oh, there he is!
We explore campground locations off the beaten path. We search for wildlife and new trails. So join us for this special series as we share the beauty and wonder of Mount Lemmon. Finn, can you ask the people to watch the video?